A new report is questioning the way Texas handles voter registration.
This report from the Texas Civil Rights Project claims thousands of Texans are missing the opportunity to register. Some high schools are not following rules to register students to vote. Several agencies are also not registering voters like they are supposed to do. And it says regulations have made it more difficult for people to be voter registrars in some areas of Texas. The group points to the leadership in the Secretary of State's office as part of the problem. KXAN's Kevin Schwaller shows us what the issues could mean at the polls.
Diane Pastoric says something is wrong with the voter card she got in the mail. It has her maiden name on it.
It's been the same since 1972. And I pulled out my old voter's registration card and it did not have my maiden name on it. My driver's license doesn't have my maiden name on it.
Pastoric says she's working to correct it. And the Travis County clerk says voters like Pastoric should be okay under Texas's new voter ID rules. They require photo ID and names to be substantially similar to vote.
The married name issue.
And as voters think about voter ID, the Texas Civil Rights Project is identifying potential problems with the voter registration system as a whole. This report, however, began before the voter ID rules went into full effect. The project calls the recording of voter registrations extraordinarily slow. It questions rules that make registrars get certified by county, making it more difficult in places like Austin that cross county lines. And a survey of some high schools and districts showed only 32% did voter registration efforts twice per year like they are supposed to. A spokesperson from the Secretary of State's office released this statement to KXAN News, saying, "While our office has not yet seen the report, we are always willing to work with interested groups to improve the voter registration process. Last fall, Texas reached a record number of more than 13.6 million registered voters, and our office continues to work to increase that number through voter education campaigns and partnerships with other state agencies and stakeholder groups." In Austin, Kevin Schwaller, KXAN News.
This report also makes several recommendations for how to change the current system. One suggestion is to give the state election laws more enforcement power. If you want to look at the whole report, you can go to the website, kxan.com.